What's up, my friends? My name's Carter, and in this video, we are going to do a quick 5-minute shadowing practice to talk about your hometown. It's very simple. I will just say a line, and then I will pause. In that pause, you repeat the line that I said, and I will say every line 2 times so you can repeat after me twice. As always, there is a PDF in the description below with these lines that you can download. So let's get started. I'm not from here. I'm not from here. I just came here to study and work. Notice how I said "t." I just came here to study and work. My hometown is around 50 kilometers away. My hometown is around 50 kilometers away. It's called. You can say the name of your hometown. It's called. Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? It's not too big. It's not too big. But not too small either. But not too small either. The traffic is quiet. The traffic is quiet. And overall, it's a pretty peaceful city. And overall, it's a pretty peaceful city. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video and you really want to take your pronunciation to the next level, then check out my full pronunciation course in the description below. Use this code to get 15% off. Okay, let's continue. I go there once or twice a month. I go there once or twice a month. And stay with my parents. And stay with my parents. I really love my mom's cooking. I really love my mom's cooking. She always makes my favorite dishes when I visit. She always makes my favorite dishes when I visit. There's a park near my house. There's a park near my house. I used to go there a lot when I was a kid. I used to go there a lot when I was a kid. You should come visit sometime. You should come visit sometime. It's a nice way to get out of the busy city. It's a nice way to get out of the busy city. You can meet my family. You can meet my family. And I'll show you around. And I'll show you around. If you want to check it out. If you want to check it out. Just let me know. Just let me know. All right, guys, I hope that was useful for you. You can practice this video as many times as you need, and it's designed to be short and quick. So if you only have 5 minutes, you can practice speaking for 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments what other topics you want me to talk about, and I will do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. See you later.